Hello guys, this is Bhupendra Singh and you're watching our YouTube channel SME Dardun. Today I will tell you how you can calibrate SIM 800 GSM module using add commands as well as how to send SMS through Arduino. So let's go. To design this project we need the following components: SIM 800 GSM module from Rido Labs, customized Atmega 328 board or Arduino Uno, FTDI programmer and few jumper wires. In the beginning, we connect the SIM 800 GSM module to FTDI programmer as per this circuit diagram. This is Rido Labs SIM 800C GSM module. It has lots of pins, but we required only 5 pins. Start from the bottom: VCC, ground, VINT, TX and RX. You can also use any GSM module. All the GSM modules following the same command set. And this is the FTDI programmer, or we can say USB to TTL converter. It is easily available in the market. Please note it, VCC and VINT pin of GSM module are 5 volt. So connect VCC to 5 volt and ground pin of GSM module to ground pin of FTDI module. Now connect TX pin of GSM to RX pin of FTDI and RX pin of GSM module to TX pin of FTDI module. So this is done. Now I am inserting the VIE SIM card to the GSM modem. Connect the FTDI programmer to your computer. As you can see, the GSM module has been powered up. How do you know the GSM has got the network or not? You can see the blue LED that shows network status. While this LED glows regularly with duration of 1 second, that means network is not available. And if this LED glows in every 3 seconds, that means signal is okay. You can also check it by making call on the mobile number that is available in the GSM module. Okay. Now download the virtual terminal. So go to the video description and click on the given link to download the terminal. Once you click on the link, you will redirect to the website. This terminal is designed by Bray. So click on here, and in the next page scroll below and you will get the click to download link. Click on it and it is downloaded. Now go to the location where we downloaded this. We got the terminal zip file. Right click on it and click on extract to terminal. If you don't have WinZip or WinRAR software to extract it, then the link is available in the video description. You can download it from there. As you can see, we got the extracted folder with the same name. Go inside the folder and open the terminal as I do. In the terminal window, we have to set the baud rate to 9600 as the GSM module's default baud rate, and set the data bits to 8-bit, parity bit to none, stop bit to 1 and handshaking method to none. In this terminal, we have 2 different windows. This is receiver window where we receive the response from transmitter query, and this is transmitter window where we write the commands for target device, and we got the response at our receive window that will be responded by the target device. You may understand it better once we do testing of commands on this terminal. Now click on the rescan button to get the updated COM port list. As I have got the COM5 as my FTDI port, so click on connect. Our computer has been connected to the FTDI programmer. That means we are connected to GSM indirectly. Now we write the add on transmit window and hit enter. As you can see, we have got the OK response from the GSM module. That means our connections are perfect and GSM is working. We have 2 options in the GSM module. We can call or SMS for any information. Note it guys, we are calibrating our GSM module to send SMS. So we set our GSM module to text mode. Now we write the at plus CMGF equal to 1 command and hit enter. And again we got the response OK. This command is used to set the GSM module to text mode so that we can send the SMS, right? Now we write another command as at plus CMGS equal to write your mobile number inside the inverted comma and hit enter. Once you hit enter, you will see this symbol that shows you can write your message now. I am just writing here as hello, this is testing message, and hit enter. Now clear the transmitter window and press the Ctrl Z button so that it can send message. Ctrl Z is used to send the message in GSM module. And wow, our message has been sent, and we got the response plus CMGS equal to 27, means we have already sent 27 SMS including this message, and we got the OK response, means our message has been sent to the destination mobile. As you can see, we have got SMS. Let's open it, and this is the message we have got from the GSM module. I have also given the add command PDF. Link is available in the video description. You can test other commands also. Now I will tell you how you can write these commands with Arduino IDE so that you can send SMS through Arduino. So first go to the video description and click on the link to download the program. Once clicked, link will redirect you to the GitHub website. Here click on the code button and then click on the download zip option. Once downloaded, go to the location where we downloaded the file. Here you got the program in zip format. So right click on it and click on extract here to extract it. You can see we got extracted folder. Go inside it and open the programming code. First I will upload the program to the board. After it I will explain the code. Alright, so this is the customized Atmega 328 board. I am connecting the FTDI programmer with it. Let's connect it to the computer to upload the program. Now in the Arduino IDE, click on the Tools tab and select the board as Arduino Genuino Uno. Again click on the Tools and select the COM port as COM5. Finally click on the Upload button to upload the program into the board. As you can see, program has been uploaded. Let's connect the hardware now. This is the circuit diagram. Connect GSM module to the Arduino Uno as per this circuit diagram. You can use Arduino Uno if you don't have any customized board, right? You can download the circuit diagram from the video description. This is the customized Atmega 328 board that is compatible to Arduino IDE and works as Arduino Uno. You can also contact us if you want to make any customized board. We can design that for you. This is SIM800C GSM module. Connect VCC and ground pin of GSM module to the 5V and ground pin of Arduino Uno. Now connect TX pin of GSM module to 2-number pin of Arduino Uno and RX of the GSM module to the 3-number pin of Arduino Uno. Also connect the VINT pin of GSM module to the 5V pin of Arduino Uno. So our hardware connection has been done. So now I am explaining you the code. At the beginning, we include the software serial header file for the GSM module, and we take GSM port as software serial variable and define it to the 2 and 3-number pin of Arduino Uno as RX and TX. In the setup function, we begin the GSM port to 9600 baud rate because we are accessing the GSM module with Arduino using this baud rate. Here we have given the delay of 10 seconds. This is enough time duration to stable any GSM module with network. Now we send all the commands to the GSM module through Arduino Uno that we have tested with the virtual terminal. First, we write the add command using GSM port.println function. After the delay of 2 seconds, we send add plus CMGF equal to 1 command using GSM port.println to set the GSM module to text mode. Now, we send add plus CMGS command along with your mobile number in which you want to receive the SMS. After it, we write the message that we want to send like testing SMS for GSM. After the delay of 2 seconds, we send the char26 command to send the SMS to the defined mobile number. Char26 is a ASCII value of Control Z that we use to send SMS in virtual terminal. So, this is the method to send SMS to any number using GSM module. You can use these commands to send any kind of information to any number. Now time for live testing. Let's connect the board to the computer for power. You can also use the power adapter to power up your board. As you can see, our GSM has been stable in given 10-second delay. We must receive the SMS soon. And yes, we received the SMS. Let's open it. We received the message from the GSM module testing SMS for GSM. So guys, this is how you can calibrate and send SMS using SIM800 GSM module. Same method you can use for any GSM module. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel and videos. Stay tuned for more innovative videos.